Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today you can see the orange box. You got the large Nike logo across the top. You got swoosh logos around the box. So what we have is the Air Vapormax Plus in cool gray and team orange. Now before I get started, man, I heard that these shoes been out for a minute, but I just stumbled on these the other day, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't had no fresh footage on the line that I was planning on bringing out, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to just do this video, yeah. So it is what it is, man. I don't know nothing about the shoe. Once I heard that it been out, my interest kind of just like dropped, you know what I'm saying? But then I thought about it, like, hold up, man, let me do this for my peoples, man. I know some of my people like the Vapormax or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? They probably never even seen these shoes, man. Get up off your ass and go ahead and do the video, man, and look out for your people, man, you hear me? So here we are. Now looking at the bottom, you see you got the Vapormax unit. You got your little hit of orange under the bottom. Now this Vapormax unit is like a smoky gray. It's not clear, as you can see. You got your different shades of orange, different shades of gray on the back. You got your air with the little black shiny plastic. You got your orange pull tab. I mean, to me, I think it's a cooler shoe. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a nice colorway. You hear me? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about it, man. You feeling it? You're not? On the inside there, you can see the insole. You got the gray insole with the gold Nike swoosh. I mean, it ain't really too much I can say about the shoe, man. You know, now here's the other one. Everything is identical. I don't see no difference. Well, hold up, I think there is a difference. Now under this shoe, it says Air Max. And under this one, you got the Nike check. You hear me? So that's the only difference I see. You know what I'm saying? So moving on, there's another look at the back, side view from the front. I mean, it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. You feeling these? You're not? You tired of Vapormaxes? They just coming out with too many colors too soon. Man, I really think that they'll drop a Vapormax today and drop another one tomorrow, man. And then another one the day after that, man. They dropping so many of them, man. You know, I don't even know when they dropping or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. There's a closer look at the material on the shoe. You know, there's a look at the tag. I mean, self-explanatory, man. It's a Vapormax. Either you like it or you don't, man. You know what I mean? But you see, you got your two different shades of orange. Now that swoosh at the back, it kind of looks red up close, but I'm not sure. So it is what it is. There's a look at that material on the front. I don't know what it is, so please don't ask me, because I can't answer the question for you. So that was my look at the Vapormax Plus, the cool gray team orange colorway. Yeah, man, I just did this video for my people that probably never saw these before or whatever, and was in the hunt for another pair of Vapormax. You know, this give you another color to go look for, you know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead, follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel, share video, go back, watch one of my old videos, man. You know, like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, I interact in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'ma holler back.